Ever captured a moment only to realize the footage looks shaky, dull, or just not that epic? Yeah, that's the problem with most regular cameras. Because life doesn't slow down for perfect shots. Traveling, biking, diving, or just exploring the city, you don't get a second take. You need a camera that just works anywhere, anytime. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best GoPro HERO cameras you can buy right now, from beginner-friendly action cams to absolute flagship beasts. And trust me, number 1 feels like a whole new level of action filming. All product links are waiting in the description below. Now let's jump in, starting at number 5 at the GoPro HERO. This is the simplest way to enter the GoPro world, but don't underestimate it. It's built for beginners who just want clean, stable footage, without complicated settings. Small, lightweight, easy to mount almost anywhere. Helmet, bike, car, even pets, and it just works. Video quality is sharp enough for everyday creators, travelers, or vlog-style memories. You also get built-in waterproofing, no extra housing needed. So beach trips, swimming, rain, all covered. But what really makes it stand out is simplicity. Turn it on, press record, done. If you're new to action cameras, this is the easiest starting point. At number 4, the GoPro HERO 11 Black Mini. This one is all about compact power. It takes the performance of the HERO 11 and shrinks it into a tiny mount-first design. No screen, no distractions, just pure recording performance. And that's the point. You mount it once and forget it exists. It delivers high-resolution footage with excellent stabilization, even during fast movement. Biking, skiing, skateboarding. Anything intense, it handles it. The build quality is also seriously tough. This thing is designed for impacts, weather, and rough environments without hesitation. What makes it special is how invisible it feels. You're not constantly adjusting settings. You're just capturing the moment. For hands-free action filming, this is a very strong pick. Number 3, yes, the GoPro HERO 12 Black. Now we're stepping into serious creator territory. This is where things start to feel cinematic. The HERO 12 improves almost everything. Better battery life, better stabilization, better color processing. Everything feels more refined. Footage looks richer and more natural. Even fast motion stays incredibly smooth thanks to hyper-smooth stabilization. It's honestly impressive how stable it stays during extreme action. Another big upgrade is vertical shooting support. Perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts without extra editing headaches. And of course, it's still fully waterproof and rugged, so you can take it anywhere without worry. For travelers, vloggers, and content creators, this hits a perfect balance between power and usability. At number 2, the GoPro HERO 11 Black. Even with newer models out, this camera still holds serious value because it's reliable. Every time. The HERO 11 Black shoots stunning 5.3K video with excellent detail and strong stabilization. It's one of those cameras that just performs in every situation. Landscapes, underwater shots, sports, daily vlogs, it doesn't struggle. The larger sensor helps improve image quality across different lighting conditions too. And the interface is simple enough that you're not fighting menus while trying to capture a moment. Plus, it supports a huge range of accessories, which makes it even more flexible. For many creators, this is still the sweet spot between price and professional results. But taking the number 1 spot, the GoPro HERO 12 Black Creator Edition. This is not just a camera, it's a full content creation system. Right out of the box, you get a HERO 12 Black camera, a built-in grip, directional microphone, extended battery, and lighting support. Basically everything you need to start filming like a pro. No extra gear hunting, no setup confusion, just power on and create it. And that's what makes it different. The audio quality is a big upgrade thanks to the built-in mic. The stabilization is rock solid, and the lighting setup helps you shoot even in low light conditions without struggling. But the biggest advantage? Convenience. You're not carrying a camera anymore. You're carrying a complete production setup in one compact kit. Yes, it's expensive, but if you're serious about content creation, this is easily the most complete GoPro experience available right now. So, which GoPro would you pick? A simple beginner hero? A compact mini action cam? Or the full Creator Edition setup at number 1? Drop your choice in the comments below. And remember, all product links are waiting in the description if you want to check prices, specs, or availability. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tech and camera reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.